Alright, gonna pull the old welder out. See if I can't get some shit done today. Get my wax pot and everything pulled out too and ready. Let's see if it, ow, fuck me running. Oh my god, damn, burnt the shit out of my finger. Anyways, let's see. Oh yeah, ow, motherfucker, god. Anyways, woo. Man, she burnt me. Now that I think I have a good plan, I'm gonna finish making these. I think that's the best way to do it right there. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make my own. Well, not try, I'm going to make my own. But I'm gonna make my own just out of this skinny nail, you know, or big ass nail. I've been a little bit of metal. I think it's gonna be pretty sweet. So, whoop. Well, oh shit, let me take this fucking thing off. All right, so, yeah, not bad. Look, dude, my welding skills are probably about as good as your trapping skills, so just cut me some slack, okay? But I think it's gonna work. Huh, what do you think? Oh yeah. So I've got a lot of wire and a lot of nails. Figured I might as well just, you know, honestly, I figured I would just show you guys, or show you, you know, different stuff that you can use to make different equipment and different needs while you're out on the trap line. This is something I probably won't use a lot, but it's something nice to have. And if I wasn't in the position I was, I would probably just make these. And I think I actually kind of enjoy it. As long as I have the time, I think I'll continue to make these because they work. I mean, it's going to work really, really well. I'm just going to tap that in. I mean, that's going to sit in. Boom. I got all that up there. Run my support. And I'll show you guys the spool of wire I get, and I buy it from TSC. And if you want later, you can lay these out, you know, on some cardboard and then spray paint them or camouflage them, whatever you want to do. I'm going to probably use these for coon and coyote or whatever, beaver snares. I don't really care. I'll use them for whatever. But I am going to use everything that you see me making or doing this year. It's going to be used, and I'm going to show videos of it working. So I think that would be kind of cool, be kind of interesting for people to see, especially some of the younger guys or maybe just some of the newer guys. Maybe they're a little older and just now getting into trapping. But I think it'd be cool to see, especially if you have some stuff, old junk at the house. I wouldn't say it's junk, but you know, one man's trash is another man's treasure. So if you guys got any nails you don't want, you can bring them over to the house. Anyways, I'm going to get to it, get back at it. Okay, so just got all those done. I have to weld those, and it's going to look, I don't know, it's going to look pretty good. I think 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 it's going Something like that. I think that'll work as a toggle. And I think it'd be a little bit more, I think it'd be better reinforced. So now this is the wire I use, and it's just cut it with actually those bolt cutters over there. And then I've got temper ties given to me, so I feel like I can make probably a good bit of snare supports with those. Just gotta remember to get these out of the field or wherever you're setting them. Supports, and I'll put those with the nails and we'll get to welding. Hey, so lo and behold, I actually got all those little carabiners or toggle switches. I got them all finished up. So I made 60 snare supports with just that one roll of wire. So that's pretty cool. So I'll make all those and use all those, and yeah, I'm gonna use everything that I make, and I'm gonna try to, you know, not buy as much stuff, at least like that kind of stuff, like disposable sticks. I try to make my own stuff like that. So I'm gonna see if I can't get these finished up, and then yeah, now I'm gonna go sight my gun in. It's a 17 HMR, so I got a little Bushnell first focal plane scope on it, so it's decent.
Dad.
Hey, honey. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Dad,
I'm coming, baby. All right, I'm coming. All right, I'll talk to you later. Oh yeah, she's bad. So this is the Savage 93R17, and it's comes with the bull barrel. I'm going to take this and get it threaded down. That way I can fit one of my silencers on it, or suppressors on it. But I ended up taking the regular stock and everything off and threw on a Boyd's gun stock, and just had it, you know, custom fitted to my liking pretty much. I wouldn't say it was custom to me, but you know, you can go in there and customize it how you like. So the gun did not come with any like Monstrum or M-Lock or anything like that, so I ended up buying my own. And then I got the Bushnell. This is actually a pretty decent little, I guess it was, you know, say it's a pretty decent little scope. It's 3x12, and it does pretty good. You have a flip up there, and what's cool is, like, if you know, so when it's all the way towards this way, you're at your highest, you're at your 12, and when it's all the way this way, you're at your 3. So the far side's your highest, lowest, and then if it's straight up and down, that's right in the middle. So that's your sweet spot. It comes with the parallax, and it goes all the way up to infinity. Most of you guys know all that, but yeah, this gun it's tried and true. I mean, hammering them. So I was able to get groupings in after about 7 shots, and I just sent it out to 100. So I think that'll be pretty good. I'm going to use this for my side-by-side. I'm going to get a mount. I'm going to mount this on my side-by-side for when I'm riding around. So if I see anything while I'm trapping, or if I see anything, you know, while I'm out in the fields scouting and groundhog or whatnot, I can pop it for the farmer and take care of it that way. But yeah, this gun's, it's bad to the bone. I have a 17, and you know, it's just like shooting a smaller caliber, like a 22 versus a 22 mag. So I would like to get a 22 mag next, but I do already have 22-250, so I like the 22-50, but I don't know. I think I'm going to try and see if I can take this out, and no, I'm not going to throw out no big shots at coyotes far away, but I would, you know, I would have full confidence shooting a groundhog or, you know, a little smaller game animal. So that's why I got it. I'm just going to keep buying guns, guys. So I'm going to keep buying guns and buying traps and doing what I love. So, hey, I appreciate it. Appreciate you watching, dude. And if you need anything, send me an email, or just check me out at www.coyote-academy.com. I'm there for you. And but I will say, so I use the decibels. I'm not like sponsored or anything by them. I just like them. I liked them because when you buy them, they come with just like a gel on it, and then you put these in hot water, and then you just mold them right into your ear. Fits really well, and you kind of forget that they're in. The only reason you know is because you can't hear shit. But yeah, I appreciate you stopping by. And oh, you want to know what ammo I was running? Okay, well, I guess I'll show you. It's just a CCI VMAX, so nothing crazy. I don't really worry about shooting like super high grade or much anything. I just buy what I can buy and I shoot it, and I try and make sure I'm sighted in before I go out and do anything. It's nice being out where I'm at. I can do a lot of stuff that's pretty private. So, but yeah, I've got a different ammo. If something's on sale, I'll buy it. And I don't discriminate. I just ammo, and keep buying guns and keep buying traps. So, well, shit, I got to thinking. I want to have that gun on my side-by-side, but I don't even have a gun mount in there. And then I was like, oh wait, I think I might have something I can rig up. So I'm gonna go see if I do, and then I'll keep you posted. So those will all go with that. I've got these two here, so I'm gonna put these together, and then they'll go in that. It's getting late. I had to tap out for the day. It just kind of seemed like things just kept popping up throughout the day. And hey man, so yeah, as you can see, I had to tap out. I had a lot of stuff going on, and luckily I was able to get as much as I could. I'm gonna finish it up tomorrow and get everything finished up. So if you see a video from tomorrow, it's probably gonna be around the same stuff. I might add a few new things if I end up doing anything, but for the most part, I've got to get those toggles finished up, and I want to get those snare supports. So maybe I'll finish power washing my traps. Just that other tote that I found, I might do that, and then I might start waxing. Should be dry enough tomorrow that after I wash them and pretty much just kind of go over them real quick, it should be ready. I can do all that, and then I'll have everything done, which would be nice. And then I think at the end of the off season, I'm going to kind of recap it and kind of see if I can go through and kind of have a list of everything that I was able to accomplish in the off season and get done. That way maybe you can see it and compare it to your list, or say it's trash. I appreciate it, brother. I'll talk to you later.